No down payment at 30,000 cash out lang. Welcome to our newest pre-selling house and lot here in Calamba City, Laguna, Agapea Towns. With 70 square meter lot area na may 2 car garage na. Ang floor area naman nito ay 50 square meter. At ito naman ang iyong living area. Pwede mo naman dito ilagay ang dining mo at ang sliding door na to ang access mo going to your car garage na pwede mo extend in the future. Dito naman ang iyong kitchen area. Sa side naman nito ang common toilet and bath with complete fixtures na rin. So tara, silipin naman natin sa second floor. May provision for 3 bedrooms, large windows, and slot for air condition. And ready to receive tiles na rin. Kaya kung interested ka, message us here on our Facebook page.